Hello guys, welcome to ChandraAwesome. In today's video, I'm going to show you the top 5 custom tools that will be helpful for you in Onshape CAD software to make your designs faster and turn your work simple. Okay, so these are the 5 custom tools that I'm going to show you. Okay, so before that, custom tool is nothing but uh, it is a tool that have the custom features. It is very simple. For example, here in the dashboard, you see these are all standard tools. Okay, so our Onshape community members who have developer skills, developers, they're trying to create a bunch of custom tools by combining all these to make the work simpler instead of following the traditional approach to do any design. So, okay, so let's get into the first tool, which is nothing but Lighten tool. So as you can see in the toolbar, I have more tools. So I'm going to pick one, what is Lighten. So this Lighten tool is nothing but a tool that helps you to remove the region of the selected on the face. For example, as you can see in the display, it is clearly explaining what it is do. Okay, for real application, you just want to as you can see, this is the cube I have drawn. Okay, so I just want to make it like a simple, I organize the box so I can place certain items in one of the gaps. Okay, let me show you the a very clear example. I'm just clicking on the stage face, sorry, and selecting one. I'm just going to draw some simple, very simple. I'm selecting the line, selecting the from drawing line midpoint to midpoint, and do the same on the side as well. And I'm doing the same on diagonal as well. Okay, so this is the regions I want to be hollow, so I can place my items in these areas. Okay, so the traditional approach to this process is we have to use offset tool and draw the gaps, and sometimes when I you cannot draw the offset uh, for intersected lines. Okay, just need to draw the lines and create a hollow region gap within the sketch and do the extrude operation to create that gap. Let me show you here itself. I just simply select it, select the another offset again. It should be opposite direction and right. Click OK. Now select offset again. Double click to save it and click enter. So this is the reason I want. So I just need to simply select it, click on extrude or and remove. Okay, and this is the process. And if I want the fillet don't smooth these corners, I need to use the fillet tool once again to smooth these gaps. So this is the traditional approach that we have used to follow. Okay, but with this lighten tool. It is pretty easy. Let me delete these lines, offset lines which we don't need. Select one by one and click delete and save. Okay, just delete the extra two, we don't need it, and select the lighten tool from the custom tools bar, and it's asking faces to remove. So I'm choosing these, this, 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 and this. As you see, it clearly create the section gaps within the selected regions using the sketch. So I clearly got the gaps which I want, so I can simply place items in these areas. And within the toolbar, as you can see, tasking faces to remove and pass to lighten, which means this is the selected part. And you can adjust the thickness of the walls. As you can see, it is currently 0.2 thickness. I'm going to 0.1, And tool radius means this is the fillet radius that it is it is following. So I just want to maintain zero point 0.1, and it is the cut depth, or else you can use up to face, up to the part, up to part you can choose it. But we don't have the parts here, so let's choose up to face, or else you can choose through all. Okay, it will cut on the all sides. So I just want to uh, blind and give the distance of its chosen as 5. Let's keep that 4. Okay, let's give 3. Okay, 3.5, that's fine. Okay, and send. And you see, I made the work way simpler. I just simply select this tool and make the gaps, and also add the fillets, smoothen the corners within single tool. So this is how the lighting tool works. Definitely helpful for you if you want to make any organize design, any organizers within your Onshape CAD software. Okay, the second custom tool is fill pattern. This fill pattern is actually helps you to fill the selected plane of face with the targeted faces. Okay, so within the organizer I have created just before now, I want to have some holes on one of the side. Okay, so I don't want to be completely solid, so the air comes in, so it feels free. Okay, so for that I just simply I already added a hole here with the hexagon hole. Okay, I just want to apply it. So our traditional approach is usually is just choosing the linear pattern or circle pattern and make it select the linear pattern, add the regions, add in the features, select it, and add in the direction. For this, you have to do one thing that um, you have to apply the patterns two times. One is one direction, and the other is within different direction. Sometimes it works, sometimes it won't work. Okay, so in order to make this simpler, as we have the tool called fill pattern. Okay, so let me show you how does it works. Let me, if you unpress it, unsuppress this fill pattern, which I have already tried, it fills the face which we want. So as you can see, it clearly added the holes on whole face and remove the uh, face that I have added the um, rib in between. Okay, so let me show you how to do that. Just let me suppress it once again. So select the fill pattern tool, and it is asking faces. So it now to sell the faces, click on the create selection, and here you can find different types of selections. Okay, I just going to select the pocket, which is a simple hole. I'm just going to sell the faces and add selection, and I need to target the face. This is the face I want to target, and I need the direction. So here you use planars or the edges to add the direction. Okay, so you follow the edges. If you want the plane, you have to also follow the one. Okay, so as now it is facing some errors. Okay, let's avoid it. You just need to give the distance. Okay, it's already have the distance. So let's say currently it follows the hexagonal direction. Okay, so if you want, you can also keep the square and make it squares. Okay, if you adjust the distance, for example, let's keep it 2, let's keep it 1. Okay, so here is not following the focus because of this extra region. Just unselect this, and there you go. Because it doesn't have the this outside region, it have this region, because which is why this which was red, and under constraint. Okay, so if you want to add more holes, just decrease the distance between the parts. Okay, I think it's too much. Let's keep it 0.5. Okay, oh, it goes. I think still 0.5 not good. Let's keep it 1. Let's drop the distance some more as we want. So currently we choose the direction to this one, or else just simply edit the direction and choose to this one. Okay, either way it works. You can choose whatever the direction you want, or else you can simply select the page. Okay, let's give the value to 0.1. Okay, it's not too much. Let's give 0.2. Okay, let's keep it 0.4 and give the border value to 0.2, and there we go. It is correctly added. If you can also adjust the border so it cannot intersect with the border. For example, if I keep 0.1, it is extruding the inner edges as well. So I just want to increase the border distance to 0.2. So it will cover it. Okay. This is how you can add it. Okay. Or else, if you want to keep it to only this region to the pose, you can just simply split the face like you want. For example, I just set the face, and you need to draw some. You need to split the face as you want. For example, I'm just going to draw a region between here. Let's save it. Okay. I need you just simply split the face by using the faces to split this one, and entities. It should be this. Okay. What we split it, and no, which not. Just split the face once again. This is the split, this is the entities to split, that is okay, the sketch is not eating. Sometimes it won't work. Let's delete the split. Let's extrude. Oops. Keep it select. Make sure it intersects with the face. Save it. Now split the face using this. Sorry, is using this surface that we have created. Just simply select from the toolbar to select all edges and save it. And hide the space. So we got a split face now. We just need to do the same work. Select fill pattern, select the face, which we need a pocket. And I don't want this to be at the selection. I don't want this to be added. Okay. Or else instead of pocket, you can also select hole. Just clear all. Select this region, select hole, and select this. Okay, hole in the sense we need it should be the complete. Okay, it should be whole feature one. Then only it will be get selected. So you need to select the pocket only. That is the only process. And remove this. We don't need to be. Oh shit. Now we need to remove this. Now select the face, this region, and the direction should be whatever we want. Okay, not the front line, not the right line. Okay, let's select this edge and keep it square. Okay, this one should be inside in space, then only it will get selected, I think. Yeah, I think that is the process. Let's do one thing, just shrink the stage and let's elongate, make sure it is inside and save it. Now let's do the same operation again. Select face, oops, select the pocket faces, add selection, select target face, this one, and the direction should be this one, and there you go, it is taking work. We don't move the space, yeah, and let's decrease the distance so it get weight, or else let's keep it square and keep it the value to 0.3 and shift. And there you go. I have successfully added to it. Okay. Now we can delete this face. Just simply select delete face and select it and save. Uh-oh. This is not the how we came. Let's keep it here. That's it. And there you go. This is how you can use with a fillet tool. It is definitely helpful for you in order to make the when you want to work with pattern type of designs. Okay.